How are you doing, Armando, Sandoval, Dalinghaus Construction? Hey, looking forward to our appointment? Just a few things that you know what to expect. Before I arrive, about an hour to a half hour, I'm going to call you and let you know that I'm on my way and I'm on time. Or if traffic affects me, I'll let you know that traffic's affecting me. Once I get there, we're going to introduce myself, give you a couple of my business cards. We're going to go over what we're going to do. Again, just like this video. I'm going to take a sketch of the outside of your home. We do that so we get a footprint of your home and know where the correction may need to happen. Once I'm done with that, I'll come inside, I'll sketch the inside of your home. Once the sketch of the inside's done, then we'll start taking elevation readings. Visibly, we can see what's wrong with your foundation, or at least we think what's wrong with your foundation, but not until we take the readings and give us the data, we'll be able to determine what is truly affecting your foundation. The elevation meter we use is just a meter, and we take a baseline reading, and then we find out what is moving, if anything's moving. So once we finish with our appointment, I'll give you some information, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me anything during the time. My phone number is on this email. It's also 951-237-0588. I look forward to meeting you. Take care.